Hello dear students. Now I am going to discuss about refactored solutions, reputational, behavioral and entropy based malware detection. Vendors are developing innovative techniques that can detect zero-day and polymorphic malware. Several promising approaches for the future include: first one, Symantec is harnessing 100 million plus global customer base to identify potential malware signatures. The technique called reputation based signatures is able to identify 240 million new malware signatures by comparing binaries across millions of systems for anomalous variations. FireEye has created a behavioral intrusion detection system, that is IDS, that uses elements of honeypots and forensics to automatically identify malicious content as it flows across corporate networks. Behavioral IDS techniques simulate the executive of sniffed content in a virtual machine, which then observe resulting configuration changes such as changes in registry settings, services, and the file system. Next, an emerging field of research called entropy based malware detection looks for mathematical similarity to known malware signature to know malware signatures. Hash functions that are used by most antivirus programs detect differences between a file and its known hash. Minor changes to a file, such as modification of strings or encodings, can cause a hash match to fail. Entropy based matching uses mathematical functions that measure similarity rather than differences. If a suspicious file nearly matches the same entropy measure as malware, there is a high likelihood that the malware is present. Next, document driven certification and accreditation. Some of the most flagrant anti-patterns involve the IT security industry itself. Assessment and authorization, that is A&A, formerly called certification and accreditation, C&A, has attracted much public criticism because it has a reputation as a paper driven process that does not secure systems from real threats. A&A is the process of assuring the information security of systems before they are deployed. Although A&A is formalized in government organizations, it is also widely practiced in industry. For example, payment card industry, that is PCI standards require businesses that processes credit cards to conduct penetration tests and other formal assessments. Certification is an assessment and testing phase that identifies and confirms vulnerabilities. Accreditation is an executive approval process that aspects risks discovered during certification. And the next topic, that is proliferating IA standards with no proven benefits, and I will discuss this topic in the next video. Thank you.